Hello, welcome to Leah Kitchen Recipe. Today we are going to prepare tandoori chicken. Ingredients: chicken, chili powder, salt, lemon juice, curd, coriander powder, paprika, garam masala or all spices, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste. Take chicken and make deep slits on them. Add salt, chili powder and lemon juice to them and mix well. Leave this aside for 30 minutes. Remove excess water from yogurt using cloth. Now take second marination ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Pour this over the marinated chicken and mix well. Leave this to marinate for 3 hours. Now place the chicken on the grill and cook. Cook both sides of the chicken on grill around 30 minutes. The delicious tandoori chicken is ready to serve now. Thank you for watching Leah Kitchen Recipe.